How to grow your YouTube channel. YouTube is by far my most successful platform, and I've found some really simple tips to help you grow your channel. Now, I've reached nearly 20,000 subscribers, so it's become a part-time job of mine, and I'm close to it becoming a full-time income. Now, my first tip would be to create a content schedule. So stick to this. So it's like a TV channel. What days of the week will you upload on? Now, I'd like to give you times that I upload, but to be honest, I'm not that organised. But what I have found really useful is uploading regularly. I do it on a Monday. I have my weekly highlights on a Monday. I do a live vlog on a Wednesday, and on a Friday, I tend to do a professionally edited Friday theme vlog. Now, my next tip, if you watch Netflix, ask yourself why you tune in to certain programs or certain documentaries that you've never watched before. Often it's all on the picture and the thumbnail, and that's exactly the same with YouTube. Create engaging thumbnails. Watch your favourite vloggers and see what kind of thumbnails they use for some tips on what works and what's hot on YouTube. Now, using keywords on YouTube I've found really helps. So in the title, whether you want to do it all in capital letters or normal font, that's up to you and your style. But what I do find helpful is using special keywords. So think of your niche audience. Who are they and why do they want to tune in? But there's no point in just clickbaiting them, because often you're judged on watch time as well. So what you want to do is think of the best keyword to describe the video that you're uploading. Now, I'd also say when it comes to video, short and sweet. Once you become a bigger vlogger, you'll notice the vlogs become longer and people will watch for that length of time. But you don't want to keep going on and on and on. People will turn off, and worst of all, they may unsubscribe. So keep them as powerful and punchy as possible. Now, my final tip, it sounds cheesy and I find my kids who are into YouTube saying it, but do feel free to tell people, ask them to like, subscribe, comment. It just reminds people the amount of times I've subscribed to channels because they've asked me. So there's some tips to get you started.